All right, guys, I am in something special, the LC500. This is a beautiful interior, absolutely stunning. Please have a look at this. I mean, the stitching, the door panel with this red like suede microfiber that goes all the way across. And look at this center stack. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful compared to the one in the RCF. So elegant. I absolutely love this car because when I saw these on the streets, especially in white, they look like a freaking spaceship. They stand out insanely. So if somebody was to get this, or the new one that's coming out, supposedly the LCF, that might be a killer car to have. But I've seen the standard LC500s on the streets, and tint the windows, throw on some sick wheels, do the body kit, exhaust. This thing, it's a spaceship. It looks phenomenal. These seats, amazingly comfortable and supportive. I cannot say enough great things about this car. This one does have a sunroof, very nice. And this actually doesn't feel as small inside as the RCF does, which is very nice feeling. You don't feel as closed off. Only downside, price tag. This one is, let me have a look, $102,000, which is steep. It is steep, and this is not even hybrid. So great car, looks great overall, very nice interior, very nice exterior design. Not a fan of the door handles. They're pretty hard to maneuver. Let me show you that. The interior door handle, that is, I mean, that is artwork right here. Absolutely artwork. Look at that red. So nice. Does it close by itself? See, that's I don't understand these door handles. Let me go to the other side. But the paint is like a nice gray. Looks very nice. Oh, this one's open too. So weird. So I guess when you press unlock, they pull out automatically, so it's easier to open, which is nice. All right, cool guys. Very nice car. Very nice. And once again, it is here at Woodfield Lexus. If you want it, come and get it. But that rear spoiler on this makes that rear end look so nice. Look at that. The lines on this thing are just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Thanks for tuning in, guys, to Will's Garage. We'll see you on the next video. Please subscribe below.